Now we are going to learn how to solve the word problems. Now as we are learning addition, children, so we are going to solve the word problems related to addition. Now there are few keywords, children, when we are going to add. There are some keywords when we are having the word problems for addition. So which are the keywords? The keywords are in all. What do we say? In all means all together. In all together. We also call sum. Okay. If I will say, my father gave me 4 chocolates, mama is giving me 3. How much I have in all? In all means all together. How much I have? It means we are going to add one from father has given and what mama has given. So when we add the numbers, we say in all. Okay, there are few keywords in the word problems. When you will read the word problems, you will get to know. So which are the keywords? In all together, find the sum of, okay, find the sum of these 2 chocolates, find the addition of this. So these all are the keywords which you are going to remember for word problems. Are you ready, children? I have taken the word problem from your textbook. As you are having your textbook, it is very easy to read the problem. It is on page number 34 and 35. We will take the first example from your textbook, which is on page number 34. As you have seen, I have written the question on the board. On Monday, dash 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 Reena see in all. So may I read the question for you? It is on page number 34. On Monday, Reena saw 24 butterflies on one bush and 32 butterflies on another bush. It means they are talking about few butterflies. You know what are the bush? Yes, the branches of the tree, bushes. Butterflies are sitting on the bushes and there are different types of butterflies, and there are one branch where how many butterflies are there? 24. And in other branch there is 32 butterflies. Now they are asking how many butterflies did Reena see in all. Okay, children, you can take reference from page number 34 of your textbook. I have read the word problem for you. On Monday, Reena saw some butterflies. How many butterflies were there? There were 24 butterflies on one bush and there were 32 butterflies on another bush. Okay, I got these 2 numbers here. Always read the word problem as many times as you can, so that you will exactly get to know what the question is and what the examiner is asking for. So there are 24 butterflies in one bush, second 32 butterflies in another bush. So when we are writing a word problem, children, first of all we have to know that we have to solve this problem by which operation. Now what is this operation? Addition, subtraction, multiplication and division are the 4 basic operations of maths. Okay, maths is related to all these 4 operations. So first thing, if I will know that how I will be getting this answer, by adding or by subtracting or by multiplying or by dividing, my half of the work is done. Now here you have seen in all is written. Okay, in all means they are asking together how many butterflies did Reena see. Okay, we have to write the statement. What should be the statement? What should be the statement? There are 2 numbers. Now this 24. In front of 24, children, what is this 24? 24 is the butterflies and which are sitting on one bush. 32 are the number of butterflies which are sitting on the another bush. So we have to write the statement here. Okay, let us write the statement. What is 24? Number of butterflies in one bush. So we write short form of number NO. Number of butterflies in one bush. How many are there? There are 24. And what is this 32, children? We will write next one. Number of butterflies I will rub this. Okay. Butterflies in another bush. How many were there, children? 37. Am I correct? No? Then how many it was? It was 32. So, if the numbers are wrong, your whole answer will be wrong. So, copy the correct numbers properly. And children, what are they asking? They are asking how many butterflies did Reena see in all? Number of butterflies Reena saw. We are doing it past tense. So, we will write number of butterflies Reena saw. This we need to find, children. This is not given. This we need to find. And how we will find this? By which operation? Operation is addition. So let us start. Okay. Now statement is done. Now we know what is given and we know what we have to find. Now what is the next step? We have to find the operation. By which operation we are solving this, children? In all means addition. So we will write the operation is addition. Okay. Now the next step is method. How we are going to solve? We are going to write the places. We will write 100, tens, ones. Line for the carryover. Now 24 butterflies in one bush plus 32 butterflies in second one. We have to add them. We have to write the answer. 4 plus 2 gives me 6. 3 plus 2 gives me 5. Last one. Answer. How many butterflies? What we have to find? Number of butterflies Reena saw. So we will write here answer. Reena saw 56 butterflies in all. Okay, children. Now I have taken this word from the question itself. How many butterflies Reena saw? Reena saw 56 butterflies in all. So these all are there in your question itself. You just have to think, write the statement and solve.